Every nation has an army whose essential purpose is to provide defense to the country against any foreign threat. Their well-organized system by building defense walls and armed forces enables them a solid protection. Now let us consider a country as a human body, a defense wall as innate immunity, and armed forces as adaptive immunity of the body. So guys, welcome to sqadia.com. Today we're going to be discussing about natural defense system today that makes the major portion of innate immunity. But before jumping into these defense mechanisms, let us revise the line of agents in immunity. We are going to be talking about 3 lines of defense system. First come first. First line is the external defense. As the name gives you the idea, it's going to be the outside of the body, like skin, nose, eye. We name second line as internal defense. Our body has armed forces inside the body ready to target the pathogens. These active armors are neutrophils, macrophages, basophils, etc. Lastly, we have the third line defense, which we call as humoral and cell-mediated response. Here, along with the armors, we have commandos taking part as well. We call these commandos as T cell and B cells. As I mentioned about first line defense, it guards the following areas. That includes skin, eyes, nose, bronchus, lungs, stomach, intestines, urinary tract, vagina, and lastly, mouth orifice. That's all about the introduction. Let's dive deep into this class in the next section and learn how body builds these guards and protect us from external attacks.